Hey, this is Josh Gwynn. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to connect with decision makers on LinkedIn in 2020 and also some things not to do. Stay tuned. So this is Josh Gwynn. I am the founder of redlineacademy.com. I am a consultant, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to connect on LinkedIn with decision makers or buyers for your product in 2020. So there's three things to kind of keep in mind when you're trying to connect with people on LinkedIn, and this is where I see most people mess up. The three things you need to keep in mind are, number one, you need to have empathy for the person you're connecting with situation. So right now we're in the middle of a global pandemic with coronavirus. So you don't know what the situation is of people that you will be connecting with. So you need to have some empathy for if their situation is not going very well. So if you don't get a response immediately or at all, it's not a big deal. Just give it some time. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, don't pitch on your message to connect with somebody. Don't try to pitch your product. Don't try to sell them right there. In my experience, in 95% of cases, this doesn't work anyway. It's just going to turn people off, and they're either not going to connect with you or they're going to block you. The third thing to keep in mind is be brief. So just when you send them a message to connect, be brief. Send them a custom message, which I'm going to show you here shortly, but be brief. So if you want more videos like this, I'm going to be doing a video series on this every week. This type of topic, growing your professional network and growing your income from home. Click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on notifications and you won't miss any videos. You can also check out my LinkedIn networking masterclass at redlineacademy.com. This is my online school. Also, I have a LinkedIn 19-step checklist that you can get if you would like to boost your LinkedIn profile today. It's free. Just if you would like to get it, like this video and put a comment below, and I will respond to your comment with where to get this free checklist. So if I wanted to, let's say I want to connect with somebody that's a vice president. So here's what I would do. I'm going to come into the search bar and type in vice president, if I can spell. And you want to make sure that you're searching for people, not jobs. So it may default depending on what you select. So searching for people, and I'm going to search for somebody at a specific company. So we're going to look for vice president Facebook. So this could be a person that I'm trying to connect with to do a consulting project for. If I was looking for a job, I could connect with a person like this and start that process. So this is going to give me a list of the people that I'm connected to on Facebook, or the list of the people that are vice presidents at Facebook that are on LinkedIn. Now what you'll notice is some of these say message and some of them say connect. If I have shared connections, if they're a second level connection, then I can connect with them. But if they're a third level connection, in other words, I don't share any connections with them, then it won't let me connect with them. I'll have to message them, and I'll have to have some in-mail messages, which is a premium LinkedIn feature. So if you don't have those, you won't be able to message them. But this person is good right here. We're gonna connect with. We're going to try to connect with Michelle here. She's Vice President of Global Marketing Solutions. So that is a person that would more than likely would be an ideal buyer for my product or service. So I'm going to reach out and click connect. And you can see down here that we have several connections in common. So when I request a connection with her, I recommend always using a personalized message. If you don't, it just says I would like to add you to my LinkedIn network, or it's just a connection request, and there's no information about why they should connect with you. So I would say, hi Michelle, we have several shared connections, or several connections in common. I'd like to connect with you. or I'd like to add you to my LinkedIn network. Thanks. And that's it. So this is what I would send to her. This works in my experience 90+% of the time. This person will connect with me. I did with this and with another person from Facebook on LinkedIn yesterday, and I was trying to film the video, but the sound quality on the video was terrible, so I deleted the video, but the person did connect with me, so I had to find somebody new to connect with. So we're going to go ahead and send this, and that's it. And so that is how you connect with people on LinkedIn in 2020. Again, remember, the important thing is to have empathy for their particular situation, to be patient if they don't respond back right away. Don't create urgency for them to respond back. Number 2 is don't pitch your product in the message. That's absolutely the last thing you want to do. I don't recommend pitching your product at all when you connect with somebody on LinkedIn, or after you're already connected with them on LinkedIn. I would recommend trying to provide value to them and then getting a meeting via video call or an in-person meeting if possible. But don't try to pitch them anything through a LinkedIn message. It just won't work out for you. And then finally, just be brief when you send them a message. Don't write 6 paragraphs. I see people that try to connect with me write multiple paragraphs, and I usually just delete, because I know that when I connect with them, I'm going to get a sales pitch shortly thereafter. So anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You won't miss any videos like this that we're going to be rolling out on a weekly basis. Also, if you'd like to get my 19-step LinkedIn profile checklist with the things that you need to do today to supercharge your LinkedIn profile, put a comment below, and I will reply to your comment with where to a link to download that report. So also, if you want to check out my Redline Digital or redlineacademy.com website, you can check it out and see if you like it. There's some free content over there, as well as my LinkedIn Networking Masterclass, which is a paid course. So anyway, go check it out. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.